everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to add color in table in Word. So first of all, open the Word document in which you want to add the color to the table. You can see over here I've already opened it. Now in the table, what you have to do is select the cell in which you want to add the color. Simply click on that cell. All you have to do is drag the mouse. Now you can see over here that cell will be selected. Now at top you'll be able to find several options over here. Click on the option design. Now you'll be able to access the designs of the table from here. Over here you'll be able to find the option for shading. Simply click on the drop down arrow that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see the colors over here. Simply click on the color of your choice. Now you can see over here the color has been added to that particular cell. Likewise, if you want to add the color to the entire table, what you have to do is select the entire table. You can see over here I have selected it. Now after doing that, click on the design option. Again, click on the option setting. Click on the color of your choice. Now you can see over here that color will be added to the table. So that is how you add color in table in Word. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.